Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hidden Apps folder so you can make a proper shortcut. Press Windows plus R, type Shell, Apps folder, and press Enter. You'll see all installed store apps. Next, locate the app you want, right-click it, and choose Create Shortcut. Windows will offer to place it on the desktop. Do this now so you have a tangible shortcut file you can move, rename, or modify for easier access later. Once you have the desktop shortcut, customize it so it's clear and usable. Right-click the shortcut and open Properties. There you can rename the shortcut to a friendly name and click Change Icon to select an ICO file or pick an embedded resource. After edits, click Apply and test the shortcut by double-clicking it. If it launches correctly, you can drag it into Start, pin it to Taskbar, or place it in a folder. Make sure it still opens the correct app. To finish, place the shortcut where you want it. Drag it to Start to Pin as a tile, or right-click and choose Pin to Taskbar for one-click launching. If the app doesn't appear in Shell, Apps folder, or the shortcut won't open, run WS Reset. EXE to reset the store cache and check for updates. If that fails, reinstall the app and confirm you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. This resolves most issues with store app visibility and shortcut creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.